Hello and welcome to the Residual Royalty Academy. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a really simple composition book interior. So make sure you subscribe, make sure to smash like on the video. Now if you're a beginner this is going to be a great video for you, but if you're a bit more experienced then this video is probably not for you. Or if you already have tangent templates then you probably already know what I'm going to say. But if not, and if you are quite new to KDP, then this is a perfect video for you. So there's basically two ways that you want to create a composition book interior, and this is how it looks inside. So composition books are very popular at this time of year. So let me just search this for you. So composition book, you can see it's going to show us the BSR, which is the best seller rank, and the closer that number is to 1, the better and the more sales the book is making. So when these ranks load, we'll be able to see just how much these books are selling. So let me try and find one that I already know is selling. Okay, so if I search something else, because it's not showing me the ranks right there, it's not loading unfortunately. So if I search this, I know this one sells a heap. I don't know why I just used that word, a heap. I don't think I ever used that in my life. So this one is ranked 362 in all books. So that means it's selling, you know, probably 50 or 100 times per day. So the way to check how much a book is selling is to use a BSR calculator such as this one from TCK Publishing. So if you enter the rank, which was 362, this gives you an estimate. So 362, change it from ebook to book, and it's going to show you, okay, wow, so 292 sales per day. So I think it's usually a bit of an overestimate, so it's probably somewhere close to 200 sales per day. And if you look at the royalty, that's $5.99. They're probably getting $1 royalty off each of those, or maybe 80 cents or so. So do roughly $1 or a little bit less times 200. $200 per day times by a month. This book will stay at this rank pretty consistently year round, and it'll get even better during September and during back to school. So, you know, $4,000 to probably $7,000 a month just from one book, which is pretty incredible. So this book actually has a dotted interior, but we're not going to make one just like this just now, and maybe save that one for a later video. We're just going to make a simple wide ruled interior. So let me go back over here now, and I'm going to show you which one we're going to try and mimic. So you could use either of these, college ruled line paper or wide ruled line paper. Now, if you don't have tangent templates, basically what it allows you to do is I would just click this, and I'd go to my desired size, which is probably 8.5 times 11 inches for a composition book, and I would just put the page numbers. So I would want maybe 120 pages. Bleed, yes, you need that because the lines go all the way to the edge. And when we open up this PDF, it just makes it for you in, 1 second. But if you don't have the luxury of tangent templates yet, I'm not financially affiliated to them, but I just always recommend it for anyone new to KDP, then you might have to make it yourself. So I'm just going to quickly show you how you do that. So you just want to get a blank page on Canva, which is 8.5 by 11, and you just want to grab a simple line like this. And I'm going to transform this line multiple times, and we're going to get it to look something like this. So I'll probably fast forward this part of the video, but you'll see just how it's done. So I usually extend it all like this so we can make the line really thin, but still long enough, because once you make it too short, you actually lose the ability to, okay, we need to do even more. Okay, so let's do this. Once you make the line too short, you lose the ability to actually shrink it down. So let's do that, and then we'll make it smaller. So like that. Let's see if we turn it, is that going to be long enough? So we'll make it a tiny bit bigger, there we go. And we're just going to place that line right there. So that line is going to be similar to this line here, so let's just move it across a bit actually. So grab that, move it somewhere over there, and we're going to make it black or dark, so like that. And then we have our first line done, so we just want to copy and paste that one. We're going to turn it around, make it 90 degrees, or 0 degrees, sorry, not 1 degree, there we go. And then we're going to make this probably a little bit lighter again, just to make a contrast. And then we're going to place that there. We're just going to keep looking between the two, see what needs to go where. This will probably start around there. And then we're just going to copy and paste that line, place it here, see if that's wide enough. Probably not, a little bit bigger needs to be. Okay, that looks great. Now we know the size. We're just going to copy and paste both of these two lines. So copy that, paste, drag it down there. See if that's perfect. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Now we've got 4 lines. Now we do the same again. We're just multiplying it up. Place it there. Done. Same again. So obviously you can go a little bit wrong if you don't drop it in the right place, but just make sure you do it correct every time and you won't have any problems. So then we're going to take all of those. Okay, that went wrong. Undo. Let's just take maybe 6 of them. And then we're going to place these down here. Make sure you put them all equal, so you can see I did make this one a little bit too large, the gap there. So we're going to drag these up. Okay, I think that's pretty much good enough. So let's see, compared to this one, we want a bit of a bigger one at the bottom. Maybe we can fit one more line in, or maybe we can't. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so you could either leave it like that, or you could just take this one out and leave some space at the bottom as well for, you know, the people to write in whatever they want down here and whatever they want up here. But you can see that's really, really simple. Maybe we want to make this one black to make a color difference, or maybe we want to just leave it the same. Let's just put it back to here. Maybe make these ones a little bit more gray, so go off there. See how that looks, and you just want to compare. Okay, that looks pretty nice right now. So all you would want to do is just hit there, copy, and you want to do that 100 times until you get to 100 pages. But there is a 100-page limit on Canva. So obviously once you're happy with the first page, you can literally just duplicate it, and that's how easy it is to do this. So you just want to do duplicate, duplicate, duplicate until you get to 100, and then you would just do the same 20 more times, and then you would download the entire thing as a PDF print, and that's perfectly ready to upload into KDP. So you would just do that once it's hit 100 pages. Let me show you what I would actually do. I would come to ilovepdf.com, and when you've got the 100-page one from Canva over here, and you've got the 20-page one to make 120 in total, like I say, you can only have 100 maximum on Canva. I would just merge them together, so you literally just upload the 2 PDF files here, and it will create a new file for you with 120 pages, and that then is ready to upload into KDP, and that is pretty much the same as you'll get here, and the customers should not have any complaints about this design here that you've made. And you can see how quick that was, you know, just a couple of minutes. So in next week's first video, I think it will be on Monday, I will show you how to create a cover for a composition book, so you can create something really, really cool like this, whether it's dinosaurs or whatever it might be. So you can see there's a lot of different designs. So on Monday, I will be bringing you this video. So I hope you look forward to that as well. These type of books are selling incredibly well at this time of year. So make sure you get DS Amazon Quick View, which is the Chrome extension I've got enabled here that shows you the ranks of the books. And you can always use something like this calculator here, TCK Publishing, to check how much they're selling per day, just to get some inspiration and you know what to create, you know. So if you find a niche that's, you know, the rank is 400,000 or 1 million, you know those books aren't really selling, so it's best not to go into that niche. So hopefully that's a really helpful introductory video for you here on KDP. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.
They wanna count me out before I'm even up. They wanna bring me down, but I don't give a They wanna count me out before I'm even up. They wanna bring me down, but it ain't adding up. I got some emoji in my blunt. Tell me what you want. I ain't tryna front, yeah, I just came to stun. I got some emoji in my blunt.